3, 2,
Enjoy.
1.
I meant Panera's new flatbread pizza. These flatbread pieces are your new, delicious, guilt-free
Meal.
Look at the crispy edges. This meal is a game changer. Nope, you want to get your own. These meals are too good to be sharing. Come on!
Flatbread pizza, pizza, pizza. Flatbread pizza, pizza, pizza. Flatbread pizza, pizza, pizza. Flatbread pizza, pizza, pizza.
Yo, it's my time to order some.
Is it good? Yes, ma'am! Boy, you crazy! Good, man, good.
That a boy. Love to hear it.
Hey, you watching the PFL fight April 29th?
Millen versus McDonald.
Yes, sir.
Yup. And Millen the touchdown.
Yeah.
Player
If
2
McDonald let him.
wins.
Too bad he ain't.
What's the last time Royal McDonald had a
October 2019.
fight? And the last time I checked, last year.
So,
So your boy Roy Reeves, but that ring rust.
ring rust, he's been doing it for so long it's second nature. My boy been training every day, fighting every day. We're talking about the former Bellator welterweight world champion and former king of the cage lightweight champion.
Keyword. 4, Murray.
3,
No
2,
longer.
1.
Curtis done enough work
Brawl.
to stay on his feet, get back on his feet, and Rory ain't about to stand in front of him.
Rory's known for being a durable guy. I know you saw his fight against Robbie Lawler. He can eat some hits.
But what happened?
I mean,
It's nothing but fair punch these boys when it comes to a stand-up fight with Curtis. Curtis gonna take away Rory's one pass to victory.
okay, then how about we bet on that?
Bet.
If Rory McDonald's win, I get to hit you with a, I like the cut, geek.
And once Millen to win, I get to smack your bald head with baby oil.
Bet.
Bet. Sucker.
Yeah, you better watch your old head. Hey, do this. One more time. This? Yeah, keep doing it.
See, I knew you was up. It's the weekend, so you know what that means. Saturday cleaning. I just need you to do a few things today. Cut the stairs, clean the garage, clean the bathroom, cut the front and backyard, cut the neighbor's yard, and trim everybody's bushes in the neighborhood. And if anybody pay you, bring me the money.
That's messed up.
Don't matter.
Yo, what's goody? How can I help you?
Can I get a Big Mac, large fry, apple pie, and a Diet Coke? Trying to lose that weight from 2020 quarantine.
You know that Diet Coke doesn't make you healthier, right?
Boy, shut up!
That's saying.
Just for that, my meal free.
No, I can't do that.
Okay. I said my meal free.
You know what? I think I just found a coupon that not only gives you your meal free, but your money back as well, ma'am.
So.
Here you are, ma'am. I know you ain't getting McDonald's. What happened to losing weight?
I got a Diet Coke.
Ha! Just wait till I tell.
Sucker.
Wait, what? What you mean, uh-oh?
I got one coming.
Oh no!
Just keep the windows cracked, put your mask on, and shut up. Y'all know I can't hold them like I used to.
Grandpa, we almost home. You better not!
Alright?
Player 1 wins.
Mama say? Oh, Lord. Wait, I know what'll work.